All English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to All English Podcast, the place where English is not just something you study, it's something you actually use in real life.
And sometimes survive with.
Exactly. Today's topic is one of those situations where many English learners suddenly feel stressed, serious, and very quiet.
Let me guess. The bank?
Yes, English at the bank.
Oh, wow. Just hearing that makes my shoulders tense. Banks feel so official, so serious. And suddenly, my English disappears.
You're not alone, Jack. A lot of people can travel, order food, joke with friends, but the moment they walk into a bank, their brain says, "Sorry, English is closed today."
Exactly. I can talk about movies, coffee, even life problems. But at the bank, my mind goes blank.
And that's totally normal, because bank English feels different. It sounds formal, it sounds important, and money makes everything feel stressful.
Yes, no jokes, no small talk. Just documents, numbers, and fear.
But here's the good news. Bank English is not difficult. It's actually very predictable.
Predictable?
Yes, banks use the same questions, the same sentences, again and again.
So you're telling me I don't need advanced English?
Exactly. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English and polite English.
I like that. Clear and polite sounds achievable.
All right, let's imagine a real situation. You walk into a bank. You go to the counter. The bank employee smiles and says, "Hello, how can I help you today?"
Ah, I've heard that sentence so many times.
You'll hear it almost every time, and this sentence is your invitation to speak.
But this is where I panic.
Let's fix that. Your answer can be very simple. You can say, "I would like to open a good bank account," or "I need help with my account," or "I have a question about my card."
Sometimes all I say is, I need help. And then I stop.
And that's okay. Banks expect customers to ask for help. You're not bothering them. It's literally their job. Now let's talk about one of the most common situations, opening a bank account.
That's scary for a lot of people.
It doesn't have to be. The employee might ask, "What type of account would you like to open?"
That question always confuses me.
Let's simplify it. Usually, there are two common accounts. A checking account for daily life, paying bills, using your card, receiving money, and a savings account for saving money, not daily spending.
So I can just say, I would like to open a checking account.
Perfect. Clear. Simple. Very professional.
No fancy grammar needed?
Exactly. Then they will probably say, "May I see your ID, please?"
That part I like. Very easy.
And you simply answer, "Sure, here you are." Banks also ask very common questions. "Do you have an appointment?"
And what if I don't?
You can say, "No, I don't," or "No, I just walked in." Very normal answers.
They also ask about cards, right?
Yes, they might say, "Would you like a debit card?"
I always say yes, even when I don't fully understand.
That's okay. A debit card is connected to your checking account. You use it to pay and withdraw money. You can say, "Yes, I would like a debit card," or "No, not at the moment." Another very common situation is checking your balance.
Yes. Numbers. My enemy.
You can say, "I would like to check my account balance."
That sounds very confident.
It is. Then the employee might say, "Your current balance is $500?
And what if I don't understand the number?
Very important question. You can politely say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Could you say that more slowly?"
So I don't need to pretend I understand.
Never pretend. Asking politely shows confidence, not weakness.
What about problems? That's what really scares people.
Yes, problems happen. Maybe your card doesn't work. Maybe money is missing. Stay calm. Stay polite. You can say, "I think there is a problem with my account." Or, my card is not working.
Even if I'm angry?
Especially then, politeness gives you power.
I like that. Calm English is strong English.
All right, let's do a short role play.
Okay, I'm ready. Hello, I would like to open a checking account.
Of course. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you are.
Would you like a debit card with your account?
Yes, please.
Great, please sign here.
That felt easy.
Because it is once you know the language. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. English at the bank doesn't have to be scary. With simple sentences, clear words, and polite language, you can handle these situations confidently.
I honestly feel much better now.
That's our goal at All English Podcast. We don't just teach English. We help you live in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. Stay confident. And we'll see you in the next episode.